Okay, today in this class I will discuss about advanced technique of masking. So even some professionals also don't know about this trick. So let's start. This is my recent illustrations which I made for a t-shirt. So this is a very a common bike, vintage bike, and so let's come to the point. Here I'm taking a new A4 size paper. So everything it's a RGB color. RGB, you know, that's resolutions of pixels of color resolutions of RGB and CMYK is different. RGB for the web page and the mobile and computer user, its color resolutions is very bright and high. So I'm going to create here, and now I'm doing a poster. So I have a picture here which I'm placing, just drag and drop. So there is another different type of placing. You can go here, go to the place, shift control P for the Windows user. Here if you are Mac user, do this for command. Okay, so click here. So here a desktop is open, so you can choose which one you are going to place. So here this is on, so you can place it over here. So you can another thing you can do, see, it's going to place. If you want to choose the multiple images, so here I'm choose this one and hold control and this one, so place. You can see this 1 by 2, this 2 images you can place over here. So this is 1 and this is 2. I'm just deleting this upper side, so just a tutorial purpose. So if I want to make a mask, clipping mask over here, so do this one thing, and this is a before and the back, this image. Okay, so if I hit control and 7, it's a clipping mask. But and you can move this clipping mask over here. So see this, if I want to move this is not moving. So I do not need these things. I want this is this clipping mask. I want different type of clipping mask. You can crop it. There is there should be a cropping, there is a release clipping mask. So here you can release like this. So here it should be cropping option, and this cropping options should be lessons, and you can slice this. Okay, you can edit, go to this cropping image cropping is options, cropping options, that's this one. So go to the object and crop this image. Okay, so linked field embedded to copy this original. Okay, so you should embed these things, and this one is a cropping. This is a nice type of effect. If you do not want to mask a whole image, so you can crop it, hit enter, so it's crop. So this is another things, but the most effective tutorial here. So like I am going to show you just, or one thing you can do here, just a color theme. If you hit here, so there's a very different type of nice color you can show. There's a I want this color. So and now hit Alt and put it here, hit Alt, put it here, hit Alt, put it here. So please watch this tutorial till the end. You can definitely learn something from this tutorial. So this is here, and your smart guide is red color. You can see this pink type of color line as a smart guide on. So if you don't see smart guide on your yeah, here you can see this control it should be checked, so you can see this smart guide on. So here I'm just holding Alt and align everything. So now I want to do something. See, this is a very advanced technique, so please watch this video tutorial. It will definitely help you in your graphic design. So I need that this type of pattern should be clipping mask. So I put it over here, and now if I hit control 7, so see this kind of problem occur. So this one is one circle is clipping and another is not clipping. So what I can do, control Z undo. So if I grouping everything, see what happened. If I grouping everything, grouping, if I grouping everything, control G, and thereafter I think that everything is fine. If I control and F7, see of this is gone. So how can we fix this problem? How can I put this design as a mask? So this is a very advanced technique. So see the magic. Grouping everything, go to sorry, this section. This is a compound path, make, and control plus 8 is a compound path. For making compound paths, it's a object. So now it's a object, it's a compound path. So now see the magic. If I hit control 7, see this is automatically make a clipping mask. So this is the advanced technique of masking clipping mask. So please do this in your design. It will definitely make a difference. So I'm put it over here. If I want to make a book cover like this book cover, so what I can do, I need this portions is very beautiful. So I'm going to shift and alt for proportionally distribution. So put it over here. Now what I'm going to do, just file, edit, not edit, and here as should be the rasterize, expand. Here so select effect, view, and this is window. And so now if I want to make a clipping mask over here, make a rectangle over here. Now hit control F7, so it's a make a clipping mask. Now if you like if you want to make a writing over here, want to write, so secret, I'm writing here secret, secret, So over here E is missing. So here now I want this forum or this thing. Okay, nice. And this is not going. So like this secret, this one. So now if you want to change some important features here, you can do like this and making a gap. I want to make gap here, so this is a gap, and T all capital letters, so it's all capital letters. There's a gap, so it's making nice regular here. So if I want to sorry, so put it over here, and simple book cover. So if you want to put this here, it's a looks good. So it's another trick. If I want to put this, we all have sorry, say story, we will never tell. So this kind of thing, you can do one thing here. This is the default 0, put it over here, so it's looking nice. Now if I this over here, so it's now it looks a nice book cover. So you can make book cover like this and cut it over here and paste it over here. Now if you want to put this something like this pattern. So with the help of this trick, you can make a very cool and easy book cover. So apply this technique to your design. It will make difference and unique. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. If you think this is a very helpful video tutorial, so drop a thumbs up. So thank you, and give me your project or in Instagram or Facebook. If you have any questions, please describe and write down in comment box. So thank you very much for watching. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.